out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. I'm so excited to bring you guys a daily cleaning routine. I haven't done one of these in so long on my channel and my daily routine is always changing. I'm also excited because today's video is in collaboration with my friend Amy Fritz here on YouTube. Amy is a mama to 3 and y'all, she has some serious cleaning motivation on her channel. And not only that, she is farmhouse decor goals, you guys. Her house is beautiful. She has such an eye for decor and I love the way that she styles her home, so I know that you guys are gonna love her. Amy is also gonna be sharing her daily cleaning routine, so I will leave all of her links in the description box. Be sure to go check her out. So lately I have been starting my cleaning routine upstairs after breakfast time. I will come up here and I will make all the beds and clean all the rooms, starting with my son's room. And on a normal day, I would have him up here cleaning up with me, but for the sake of the video, I let him off the hook and decided to film myself doing it instead. And while I'm doing this, I wanted to take this time and introduce myself if you guys are new or if you're coming over from Amy's channel. Hello, welcome. My name is Whitney. I am a stay-at-home mom to 2 toddlers and I do tons of cleaning motivation on my channel as well as home decor and lifestyle. So I hope that you guys will consider subscribing if you like what you see, and thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video.
We can spend all day in bed.
And then really quickly, I'm gonna tidy up my daughter's room. Her room really doesn't get all that messy because all she does in here is sleep, so I'm just gonna quickly make the bed, and then when I'm done with that, I'm going to vacuum both of the rooms.
All the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love.
Moving into Tim and I's room, I feel like we always have a mess going on in here between the kids and the cat and just us always constantly being in here at nighttime. I just feel like it's always messy. So every morning I usually have to pick up a few clothes that are on the floor and then I will go in and just kind of straighten up some things. My husband's really notorious for leaving all of the dresser drawers open because he doesn't want to be loud in the morning. So that's why those are always open in my videos, if you were wondering. And then I will be making my bed and just making it look nice and tidy in here. Now, being a stay-at-home mom, surprisingly, my schedule is a lot different than it used to be when it comes to my cleaning routine. I don't have that time when Barrett was in preschool to tackle the cleaning in one small time frame. Now I'm finding myself cleaning sporadically throughout the day and it takes a lot longer. And I'm curious, is your cleaning routine completely different or has it pretty much stayed the same? And I know there's a ton of you working moms out there and I just wanted to say, y'all are my heroes.
Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had. The end is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them.
The last thing that I'm going to do in the master bedroom is vacuum, and then I will move on to the downstairs.
Where we are. There's something different about us.
So the next thing that I will do in the morning is I always clean out the litter box because I don't know what it is, but my cat eliminates so much at night. I feel like he doesn't really use the bathroom during the day, but at nighttime, the litter box gets completely full, and I heard that's very common with Bengal cats. So I don't know if it's that or if it's something else. If you guys are a cat person, let me know if that's normal, because sometimes I feel like he completely maxes out the litter box in like a 10-hour time frame. Once I'm done doing that, I am gonna throw in a load of laundry, and a little real life here for you guys. These towels were left in the washer the night prior, so I did have to rewash them, and the clothes in the dryer were also left there the night prior, so I did have to fluff them before I took them out. And now that I'm doing these voiceovers, those towels that are now in the dryer are still in the dryer, and I filmed this a few days ago. I'm sure you guys can relate. I can never get my laundry done in one day. I really need to make that a goal of mine. So the rest of the cleaning will usually happen after lunchtime and when Savannah goes down for her nap, because I feel like I can't do this unless she's napping, because the kids are just constantly going behind me and messing everything up and taking all the toys back out. I know you mamas can totally relate to that. So I will usually have my toddler, this is Barrett that you'll see here. He's 3 years old, and I will usually have him help me pick up all the toys, but he was not having it this day. You'll see me multiple times trying to convince him to help me, and he just wanted nothing to do with it. So I am just going to pick up in here, put everything away. I had like trash and toys and clothes, and that is nothing new for my living room if you guys have been here. I just feel like this room is always a pigsty.
What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Ooh. Only time will tell. Ooh. Tell. Ooh. Work it out. No, no. What is on your mind?
And then here you'll see my hallway. This is not a normal occasion, but lately during quarantine it is. I feel like my house, the downstairs just gets trashed. So I'm gonna pick that up again. You'll see me trying to convince my toddler to help me, and then I will go in and vacuum the living room.
Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Yeah. Only time will tell. Ooh. Only time will tell. Ooh. Tell.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
And my son has this little car rug that is usually in his bedroom, but he brought it down here and it's just kind of stayed there in the hallway. And it's not my favorite decor piece, but during quarantine, it is definitely necessary to stay downstairs.
Steal all the gold you can get.
So the last thing that I'm going to be tackling in this video is the kitchen. I always save the kitchen for last just because I like to wait and do the breakfast and the lunch dishes at one time. I know some of you guys like to do them as you go, but this is just kind of how I am. So I'm going to start by doing the dishes and just getting that knocked out. And here is a little overview of my Grove collaborative order. I recently ordered a bunch of cleaning products through them and it took a lot longer than usual to get them because of what's going on. So I was so excited to receive my box while I was filming this, so I wanted to show you guys all the goodies that I got. And now I'm just gonna go in and wipe the counters, and during this time with the virus, I've been using Lysol multi-purpose spray. I've been really adamant about trying to make sure my countertops and tables and surfaces are staying nice and disinfected. Even though we aren't really going anywhere, I still feel like it's necessary because my husband is still working outside of the home. So I do try to stay on top of the disinfecting in my house for that reason.
Vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me.
And here is another thing that has been staying out is my laundry hamper, because I cannot stay on top of the laundry. I'm sure some of you guys can relate with your kids home. It just keeps piling up, and so this hamper out in the hallway has become a permanent solution for the meantime.
Good times, dancing till it feels alright. All night, we're all about the good vibes. All about the good vibes.
And then the last thing that I'm going to be doing is vacuuming, and that is actually where I'm going to end my daily cleaning routine. I know it wasn't a whole lot, but this is my real life cleaning routine right now, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it and it gave you some motivation to get some cleaning done. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in my next one.
Dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your